Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes, a student of mine was talking about how she ended up becoming a smoker. She said when she was at school as a teenager, maybe 16 or 17, a lot of her friends started smoking. And by the time she was in her late teens, there was a lot of peer pressure, a lot of people encouraging her, saying, go on, give it a try. And basically, even though she tried to hold out against all the peer pressure, in the end, she just gave in and followed the herd. And that's how she ended up smoking. If you say that someone tries to hold out, in this case, hold out against peer pressure, it basically means that you're sort of trying hard to survive or to resist in a very difficult situation. You often hear it in war reporting, for example. So maybe rebel fighters held out up in the mountains for years during a civil war. Maybe you've heard recently about the battle for Pokrovsk in Ukraine, where the Ukrainian armed forces have been holding out now against massive Russian attacks for over a year. You also hear things like people who are offered maybe a pay rise or a certain amount for their house. Maybe, you're at a university and the management offer you a 1% pay rise and you decide to hold out until you get a better offer. Or you put your house on the market and maybe you're asking £500,000 for it. Someone offers you 480,000 and you reject their offer and decide to hold out until you get a better offer. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use hold out.